What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel. And what we came to discuss here in today's video is RGTI and what to expect from the stock early in the year 2025. But before we do so, don't forget to smash that like button. It really has been helping the channel grow. In fact, guys, thanks to all the engagement that you have been leaving here on the channel, we are getting closer towards that 40,000 subscriber milestone, and we're looking to actually get 100,000 subscribers in the year 2025. So with the help of you guys, we can easily achieve that. Now, RGTI, as you all know, major retracement here today, closing lower than 10%. But with that being said, as you all know, this will cause a short sale restriction day here for the next day of trade. I want everyone to take in consideration that we also did set a higher low today, breaking that continuation pattern here. Coming off of that Friday, we set a low of that 1544, and then here on Monday 1440. We broke that pattern. In fact, we traded slightly above that upper, but we quickly retraced below it. Now, seeing as though that we are at the end of the year, that end of the year sell-off here in the quantum computing space, as well as AI and semiconductors, should be over. So the next trading day should be very, very interesting how the market reacts to the opening share prices in these major gainers in these sectors. A stock that you may want to keep your eyes out on for, ladies and gentlemen, and that is SERV. I will be doing a update video on this stock here later today, so be looking out for that. I do feel as though that this thing is headed back towards those $18 levels, and I'm going to explain to you guys why in that video. So if you do want to check that one out, if we can get at least 25 comments with the ticker symbol SERV, then I will drop that because I see the demand for the video. But back to RGTI, ladies and gents, I do expect for this stock to actually cross those $24 levels here by the end of January, okay? That high of that 1935 retraced as low as this 1528 close here doesn't give me any major concern. In fact, if we look at the quantum computing space here as a whole, that has also retraced a consecutive 3 days, as well as semiconductors and AI. It's the end of the year sell-off. A lot of people have to do this for tax reasons, okay? Another thing, guys, we do have a lower resistance coming off of this day as well, and seeing as though that it's going to be a short sale restriction day here tomorrow, expect for short positions to only be filled on the uptick, ultimately stopping the major suppression of the share price due to aggressive short selling. But seeing as though that today's volume came in at 141 million here, slightly off from that 161 million, but we have been getting, since this peak, a trickle in volume, should I say. The volume has consistently gotten low here these last 3 days of trading. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, expect to see a turnaround early off for RGTI. If we go to our cheat sheet, aka our interpretations of indicators, as you guys can see here, all 3 levels of the RSI is currently overbought here on the day. 60-minute, not so much. The reason why that this thing is severely overbought in the way that it is because of the retail investor interest that RGTI has been recently getting. With that being said, expect for RGTI to actually make a big move here pretty soon. And it, in my book, is still considered a buy. On the worst side of things, this thing can stand a chance to actually retrace back towards those $11 levels on the worst case scenario, but I do not think that will take place here first trading day of 2025 at all. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't already, smash that like button. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord, and may the gains be with you. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord. The sign up link is in the description below.